The next section is waxing service using soft wax. Please apply a simulated wax product to one eyebrow. You have 14 minutes to complete this section. You will be informed when you have 7 minutes remaining. You may begin. Sanitation is key, you guys, so over sanitizing your hands, it's okay. Yes, I'm sure your hands will be dry at the end of the test, but that is okay. And of course, we're going to lay all the products in front of us. Remember to pack accordingly. Everything that's in each bag you will use, okay? Tilting your mannequin back to face you will definitely make everything easier. Okay, go ahead and drape your mannequin. Again, I know this is not the easiest when it's a mannequin hand. All right, you will then put your gloves on. Again, for the purpose of the video, I will be telling you guys the steps. Just know that they will not read you the steps the day of the test. You will grab cotton round and you're going to prepare area of one eyebrow for service. So the way that you prepare will be by grabbing a cotton round and grabbing antiseptic. Just applying a little bit of the product on the cotton round. And again, you only have to do one brow. It doesn't matter which one, just choose one. And you are cleaning the brow area. That is the first step. You will then grab another cotton round, dry, and pat the area dry. Third step will be to demonstrate proper application of wax. That is when you will reach out for your spatulas, wax fabric, and you will then open your mock soft wax. And if you're wondering what is in the jar, it's just Vaseline. You do not need to take real wax with you the day of the test. Okay. Now you're applying in the direction of the hair growth. Now, can you do the top or bottom? Again, you are applying the wax in the direction of the hair growth. You will then apply the fabric over the wax. You will hold the skin taut and you will remove the fabric in the opposite direction. Okay, that is now trash. You will then grab your cotton and apply your post-wax product, which is your astringent, to the treated brow area. That is trash, and you will start to dispose of everything that was used. candidates, please stop working. All scoring has been completed for this section. Thank you.